In this video, we're gonna dive into the story of Lily having a night snack. Lastly, I'll teach you the words in yellow. One quiet night, Lily was lying in bed, trying to fall asleep. It was already past midnight, and she had school in the morning. But something was bothering her, something she couldn't ignore. She suddenly felt very hungry. At first, she thought, I should just go back to sleep. But as she tried, her stomach growled louder and louder. Lily sat up, sighed, and whispered, "Fine, I'll get a snack." She tiptoed down the hallway, careful not to wake her parents. When she reached the kitchen, she quietly opened the fridge. What can I eat? She wondered. Lily spotted some leftover pizza and thought, yum, that's perfect. But just as she was about to grab it, she remembered her mother's words, no pizza late at night, or you'll have trouble sleeping. So she looked around for something healthier. She found an apple on the counter. She picked it up, took a bite, and smiled. It was crunchy and sweet, just what she needed. Feeling satisfied, Lily tiptoed back to her room, snuggled into her bed, and finally drifted off to sleep, happy and full. Growl. A low, rumbling sound often made by a hungry stomach. Tiptoe. To walk quietly on the toes, to avoid making noise. Leftover. Food that remains after a meal and can be eaten later. Snuggle. To get cozy or comfortable, usually by wrapping up in a blanket or lying close. Drift off. To slowly fall asleep. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.